In this video, I will be showing you how to create a 30th birthday invitation in Canva. Let's get started. I'll start by selecting the invitation category from the templates page. I'm going to browse through the available designs until I find a style that fits. This gold, elegant invitation looks like a great base, so I'll click it and then select Customize this template. Once the editor opens, I'll clear the print panel so I have more room to work. Now, I want to add a custom photo to the background. I'll head over to the Elements tab and search for Lady, then filter the results to show only photos. I'll scroll through until I find an image with the right mood and lighting. Once I've found the perfect photo, I'll click it to add it to my canvas. I'll right-click the photo and select Replace Background to fill the screen. To get the framing just right, I'll double-click the image to adjust the crop and scale, moving it until the subject is positioned where I want her. Then I'll click Done. To make sure the text is still easy to read, I'll click on the background image and adjust the transparency, sliding it down to around 50%. Next, I'll right-click the image, go to the layer settings, and send it to the back so all of the original gold elements and text boxes appear in front of the photo. Now it's time to customize the wording. I'll select the word Party and change it to Happy. Then I'll reposition the text boxes to make room for the age. I'll add a new text box and type in 30th. I'm going to change the font to something bold and modern like Codec Pro to contrast with the elegant script. I'll try out a few different font variations until I find the one that looks best. Once the font is set, I'll position the 30th right next to Happy. Now I'll go ahead and update the party details, changing the date to Saturday, April 25th, and the time to 9 p.m. I'll also quickly update the address line at the bottom. To balance the composition, I'll select the date and time group and move it over to the right side of the design. I'll spend the last few moments fine-tuning the layout, adjusting the scale of the text and the spacing between the elements to ensure everything looks balanced and professional. And that's how you can easily transform a template into a personalized, high-end birthday invitation.